young Europeans. Did you know that you have many various opportunities to travel abroad, to get experience, to meet new friends? One of the best is Erasmus Plus or European Solidarity Corps.
Opens up your horizon.
For individual projects, you can go and volunteer from 2 to 12 months in Europe in a local organization. And during your time, you will be learning about new cultures, maybe new languages. You will mostly learn about yourself, and it will be a blast.
Self-confidence and achieving goals.
If you have an idea that would make a change in your community, you can initiate a solidarity project. All you need is a good idea, a group of 5 young people, and the will to make a change.
International and intercultural environment.
You can also volunteer in a group of 10 to 40 young people from different countries, also for a shorter period of time.
Independence.
We are also encouraging you to experience a full-time job abroad.
Personal development.
Youth Exchanges is a youth project, meaning that young people write it together, meet other young people from different EU countries.
Creativity.
You can set up by yourself to a transnational initiative project. These are like simple international cooperative projects.
Learning new languages.
So remember, don't make and look for Instagram stories from other people and Facebook stories from other people. Go to Youth Exchanges and create your own stories.
A new experience.
Would you like to know more? You can always contact your Eurodesk info point or check out the website of Erasmus Plus or European Solidarity Corps portal.
Find your voice.
Experience Europe!